Okay, check this out. This is a tutorial for people who doesn't have fucking money to buy the necessary equipment. Hi, welcome to my tutorial. Andrew Kramer here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fucking pick up this rock and I'm gonna make like a comet, like coming down to Earth. So I'm gonna select this mask to remove all the whiteness that's covering up the other. There's no way to work with layers in here, so just working with images on top of images. So it's like everything that I'm teaching right now, you can learn in other softwares. I'm just showing that you should not choose one software to do what the software says it does. If it works with images, you should work with it. So I'm gonna make this impossible view of an asteroid hitting Earth, like hitting this lake and showing the bottom of the lake at the same time. And I gotta get rid of this bitch. Man, what life wouldn't be great if you could just get rid of bitches just like that? Just selected this spot, kind of doing like what the name of the tool in fucking Corel? In Photoshop is clone stamp, and I'm gonna smooth it out a little bit, and I'm gonna smooth it out on the other side as well. But I need to convert to bitmap to be able to do it. So I was just saying, oh, it's dark because it's in CMYK. I need to convert to RGB. Okay, I was just saying. Wouldn't life would be fucking great if we can just hide bitches just like that? Like, no, I don't know who she is. No, don't come down. Then you just select one part of the room and you paste over her. Like, oh, I don't know what you're talking. I can't believe you doubted me. This is why you have problems. And she'll go to her she'll go to her mother house like, no, they shitting on me. Like the mother will be like, you find the body? The body? Yes, under the lake. Ugh. The color is not matching, so I need to go to Control Shift U. Okay, I'm gonna convert to bitmap. Always convert everything to bitmap. With this software right here, everything, the answer is always converted to bitmap. Who you trust, Jesus Christ or bitmap? Yeah, bitmap. Always bitmap. The color is not quite matching, so I need to, let me just do a clone stamp right here. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna smooth it out the edges. Gotta remove these edges, bro. Okay, it's in RGB. It's same thing the other side. I need to convert to RGB. I'm gonna spread it out. Okay, now the top. Uh, okay, so the color is not quite matching, so I press Ctrl Shift U and I change colors. Just like that. One life would be great with no consequence. Just to, any moment, just press Ctrl Shift U. You don't even need to hide the body. The cops come over like, I don't fucking know. This bitch should die. Probably because I'm so awesome. Yeah, you probably are awesome. By the way, talking about edges, hey, welcome to the show. I make edgy jokes. Fucking, you know the show Ed, Eddie, and Eddie? Yeah, I was the fourth one. I was edgy. They kicked me out. They kicked me out because I was make no. That was an episode where Eddie got, cancer. He got cancer, and I was like, oh, big deal. Why aren't you a little bit more original? You have welcome to the edgiest show in the fucking universe. Okay, anyway, back to the tutorial. As I say, there's no layers over here, so everything needs to be on top of each other. And I don't know if I can move on from that. Okay, everything needs to be on top of each other. And I need to cut this part out right here because water is above a water. Water is above a water. Water is above water. Water cannot be down water. Down water. You saw. Okay, I need to fucking. I'm gonna remove these islands, these mountains. Mountains. I'm gonna convert to bitmap. Like I said, oh, you saw the fucking triangle that was showing in the bottom there? That means that you cannot edit this image, it's just for show. So you need to convert to bitmap in the first place before doing anything. And then I'm going to remove real quick. Let me just stretch it out. Let me remove it. I remove the islands and I'm gonna smooth it out. There's also another trick. Always smooth it out everything. Smooth the edges. And then there you have it. There's the magic. But of course, it's not just smooth out the edges and the magic is done. You need to see the problem before it happens. And I realized that those images is not good enough. I need more. So I find this island that I can run. That I can run and forget about my past. The color is not matching. Of course, I can go to Ctrl Shift U and change the color. This is looking like a tutorial now. Andrew Kramer here, and if you like tutorial, say fuck this. Okay. I need to pick up this image because come on, that shit looks fake. This that looks fake as fuck. The image of the water is only when it's very close to you. This image right here is more like far away in the distance. The amount of water is bigger, so it's more realistic to what I'm trying to do. Of course, to do a montage, a photo manipulation like that, it's not just, oh, I want to do it, therefore I can. It's not like that, okay? Things in real life does not work that way, Mom. I cannot wish my dad to be back for the dead. I'm sorry, I have a little moment there. You need to look and see what's going to work and what can't work. Unfortunately, I have no vision, so I can't see if it's going to work or not. Just shooting in the dark way. I just throwing in the wall to see what sticks. I have no vision. I'm blind. Oh, dude, why am I doing this? What am I doing this? Okay, now I just make a joke about changing colors. I made a joke about cancer, and now I'm making a joke about blind people. What does that say about me? Huh? Why did you make me that way, Mom? Oh, I'm sorry, son. Fuck you, Mom. Anyway, I need to make like this water. I'm going to choose. The secret, like I said, is always smooth it out. There's no way that I can smooth it out a curve. The software don't smooth it out lines. So I'm going to create this image here. I'm going to go back to bitmap and I'm going to blur it out to make it like this effect right here. Dude, don't fucking quote me on anything. I don't know the name of the tools. I don't know the name of what I'm trying to do. But you see, since I cannot smooth it out, I pick up the color of the thing that I'm trying to smooth it out. I make a bitmap out of it and I blur it out. Therefore, I smooth it out. It works the same way. Let me just. Okay. No. Okay, no, yeah. Is that how it's gonna go? Okay, yeah, no. Is that how it's gonna go? Is that how it's gonna go? No, oh. Control U because it's a group. Control U. And then I'm gonna move. And then I'm going to select here. And I'm going to remove this part. And I'm gonna I don't know. I don't feel like doing it. Man, tutorials are so fucking boring. This is why I choose to do this tutorial this way. Because I'm not, it should be interesting. It should be having fun when you learn. No, funny. There's no work. Wait, I don't know. I was lazy to cut the bottom part, so I put inside of this rectangle. It's not a rectangle. It's a square. It's a square. Woo! I know the name of something. It's just no. I just want to smooth it out. Come on, show me. Okay, fuck this shit. Smooth it. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, for real. Fuck this software. The answer is always converting to bitmap. If something's not answering, convert to bitmap. Tring. Oh, I haven't talked to my son in 3 years. Oh, where's this joke is going? I haven't talked to my son in 3 years. Tring. He's not answering. It's not gonna be funny. I was gonna say something like, "Oh, I'm gonna convert him to bitmap," but come on, it's not funny. It's not funny. Don't convert kids to bitmap. My father once tried to convert me to bitmap. I wasn't laughing. Nobody's laughing. This joke is not funny. Let me convert to bitmap, and I'm gonna smooth it out this side over here to make the waves blend. Dude, blaze those waves, bro. I don't know any slangs from a fucking surfer. I'm gonna convert your bitmap to become one single object, one single image, and I'm going to smooth it out more. Always, you see, the problem is with this software is that there's no way to smooth it out curves, like I said before. You can only smooth it out edges. I need to smooth it out my edges, bro. Talk about edges. I am the king of the fucking edge. Okay. So the waves are kind of displaced in a, not in this. Okay, I need to be coherent with the images, so I need to be coherent with the images, so I need to fucking put the rock coming from this side, and I'm gonna make it a little bit reddish, more red, but not here. Ctrl Shift U. I need to make it more red because it's coming from outer space, and everything that comes from outer space. Whoa, bro! Did I just stereotype things that came from outer space? For your information, it can be green, okay? Oh fuck. Okay. Yeah, fire. I was looking for the fire. I'm gonna copy this image. Place. Place. Okay, I'm gonna copy this image. Come on. Bro. Give me a fucking break. Okay. Okay. Ugh. Sometimes when you copy something, oh my god, is PNG happens that becomes black for some reason. So I'm gonna use this mask anyway, just remove the blackness. Remove the blackness. Oh my god, are you serious? I'm gonna have to save this fucking. Sometimes it happens. You just gotta deal with it. You cannot just drag and put in fucking in the middle of the tutorial. You need to fucking save on the internet. Oh, this one looks way better. Oh, dude, yeah. Fuck yeah. I like Fire. Fire is such a nice guy to me. Oh wow, how funny am I?